All right, guys. Hey, it's another Smoking Sunday here at the house, and we're going to go ahead and do ourselves a couple pork bellies today. Wanted to get a big one, but I couldn't find them other than a couple of 2.5 pounders, 2.25 pounders. So let's go ahead and build our rub. I got the smoker heating up, and we'll get to it. See you in a minute. All right, guys. So to do our rub today, we're going to do a sweet rub with just a little kick. So what we're going to take is we're going to do a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Followed by a tablespoon of sea salt. And I don't have my tablespoon out, so I know that 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. 1, 2. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Followed by 2 teaspoons of paprika. Now, a lot of folks want to use smoked paprika. It gives you a nice smoky flavor, but because we are smoking today, we're just going to use regular old paprika. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of garlic. So I'm using granulated garlic. You can use garlic powder. I like granulated garlic. It's to me, it's just better. So 2 teaspoons of the garlic, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of ground mustard. And that'll really set it off nice. And then we're going to do about a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. Just a little bit more for measure. And then we just got to blend it all together. And then she's ready for the meat. Okay, guys, so next thing we're going to do is remove the skin from your pork belly. Now, I already did this. It was a bit of a pain in the hiney. Keys are sharp enough, but anyway, once you trim the skin off, what you want to do is take and then cut, just slice, not deep, just enough to get through the fat cap, just to where it starts to pierce the meat in 1-ish inch cubes. And again, sharp knife is what it's all about. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and put our rub on. And so I'll just put it so I've got the orientation proper. And we want to make sure we get every bit of it covered. So we got everything nicely covered with our rub. We got our grill heated to 225, and we're going to put it on the grate's fat side up. We're going to cook it for anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. It's not about the time; it's about the temp. So we're going to cook. We're going to smoke until we reach 160 degrees internal temperature. Then we're going to go ahead and pull it off, let it rest for a minute, wrap it in foil, put it back on until we get to 202. All right, guys, it's cooking pretty nicely. A little faster than I expected. We're going to go ahead and just give it a spritz. They're looking really good. And what I've got here is some pineapple juice. Got apple allergies. You guys have probably seen in other videos. And this works really well. So let's give them a good spray. Get a little more smoke on them. And we'll check back in at 160. Oh yeah, looking really good. So what we're going to do, we're going to wrap it in foil. That's looking really good. In fact, I'm going to give it a little bit of a spritz. There you go. Turn off. Looks amazing. Yeah, really good cover. Help keep it really, leave our probe in there. And we're going to put her back in until it reaches 202. Holy shit. Alright, so got it to 202, and holy mackerel, that was way too much. It's falling apart. It's tasty as can be, but it's really falling apart. So it's going to be like a pulled pork, I guess, at this point. Smells good. It tastes really good. But gotta rethink that whole temperature thing. Catch you next time.